Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? So welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be discussing about how you can actually find work on Fiverr. If you are actually new to Fiverr, or some of your existing account is not actually performing well, so in this video I'm going to share with you how you can actually find work, or how buyer can actually find your gig on Fiverr search and they can actually purchase your gig or message you regarding their project, and if you are the best fit for their project. So I'll be showing you how you can actually do this and how buyer will find your gig. So if you're new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. And don't forget to smash on the like button so that YouTube algorithm can actually recommend this video to anyone who is actually looking for how to find work on Fiverr freelancing platform. So here what I'm gonna do is, no matter how or where your gig or your service actually belongs to, so if you implement this in the right way, so definitely you are going to get it right. So let's say for instance, maybe your service belong to under graphics and design, or digital marketing, or writing and and translation, or any category that are here, or any subcategory that are here. So this video is just the best for you. And if you actually want this method to work, so I will advise you trying this method on a new Fiverr gig. So I have tested this method and it worked perfectly on a new gig. That is the reason why I'm trying to make this video the best way, so that you can actually understand and implement it the right way. So let's now say for instance, my service belongs to logo design, and I have the subcategory is logo design. So let's say for instance is this, or probably brand style guys. So let's choose brand style guys. So with brand style guys here, we have over 5,000 gig service existing or under brand style guides on Fiverr. So, and as you can see here, there are tons of gigs who are having review on their gigs, and different kind of prices, and as well as the reviews. So as you can see, this is a Fiverr choice from top rated seller, which is having 60 reviews, and the overall rating is 4.8. so same thing goes to this, but you can see the difference is within the price, and of course the reviews is over others. That is more reason why this particular gig is showing first than other gigs. So then you will have to check on each gigs, or probably these top 4 gigs. So let's check on this first one. So this is the first gig we found under logo design. So as you can see, you also have to notice that I don't search based on keywords. I actually don't search based on keyword, I search based on categories. So all the gigs recommended here is by Fiverr, and they're actually performing well. That is the reason why Fiverr recommend all these gigs. So it's not about ranking, it's about how they perform on Fiverr. So how they attend to buyers, how the buyer talked about the service, how their service is actually effective. That's the more reason why their gig are appearing on the first page, searching through subcategory and category. So that's what I actually want you to understand. So don't search based on keywords, search based on categories. So now let's say this particular gig have 11 others in queue, and over 80 reviews with overall rating of 5-star. So what you're gonna do is come down to the tags using on this particular gig. So these are the tags used on this particular gig. As you can see here, brand style guides. Don't forget the subcategory we choose is brand style guides. So as you can see here as well, this is brand style guides. So just copy this particular gig tags to your notepad and don't forget you can only use 5 tags on your gig. So let's now take for instance we have gotten first tags. So then click on the second gig here on the brown tigers. So scroll down, as you can see here, this particular gig doesn't have any others in queue. So let's now see what this particular seller is doing differently and why Fiverr recommend the gig. So here what I noticed is that this particular seller doesn't have anything less than 5-star. So I'll scroll down to see the tags used on this Fiverr gig. So here we have brown style girl, but different from the other one which is brown style girls. So this is brand book, this is minimalist logo, and this is logo design. So let's copy this brand book, then open a Fiverr on new tab, then search for brand book. So here you can see the total service on this particular keywords or tags is 438 service, which is very less, and you can see the existing gigs on that are using these tags. So I actually want to check if this particular seller is ranking through these gig tags. So Pixel Studio, so you can see here and you can see the gig thumbnail. So I'll head up to the page again and check on the gig. Pixel Studio. The gig cannot be found on the first page, so let's give it a try on the second page. Okay, great. So we can't find the gig on the first page and second page. And what I believe in ranking is this: if your gig cannot be found on the first page, on the second page, it will be very hard sometimes to get a job on Fiverr. So I want to recommend copying the tags, which is brand books. So but if you actually want to give it a try, it's not a bad idea because it's having low competitive sellers. So and the gigs with this particular keywords, it's less than 500. So if you want to give it a try, it's best, but I can't take a risk on copying any keyword from this particular gig. But then if I actually want to rank with low competitive keywords, so I can proceed with that particular keywords. So after that, click on any other gigs following, then check the same thing on those on the tags part. So this particular seller is having 5 others in queue, and as you can see the title as well, so is having brand style guys as the gig title. So let's now move to the gig tags and see what this particular seller is having on the gig tags. So here, as you can see, this is totally different. This particular seller did not have brand style guides on the gig tags, but you can also see that we are seeing only 4 tags instead of 5. So probably Fiverr have hide the brand style guides key tags, or maybe this particular seller did not even use it, but then he make use of it on the gig title. So gig tag Fiverr brand style guide is a keyword you can actually copy, then look for any other keywords, just like the way we did a research on brand book. So with that, you'll be able to find 5 tags which are related to your service you actually want to offer on Fiverr freelancing platform. with all these tags, these are the keywords that the buyer will use to find your gig on Fiverr search page. And once they find your gig on the first page or the second page, it will be very easy for them to contact you or place an order, and also easy for you to get your first sale or more order on Fiverr freelancing platform. After finding the 5 tags for your gig and you find your gig title as well, then spy on different kind of gig thumbnails or gig image on that same keywords or gig tags you actually copied. So you can spy on any different kind of gig image that look more appealing to you, and put yourself in a buyer's shoe, like can you actually click on this particular gig after you find it. So once you have chosen the gig that you actually want to spy on, and you can actually design your gig thumbnail yourself, then you can proceed and design your gig thumbnail and upload it, then publish your gig. I have made different kind of videos on how you can actually design gig thumbnail yourself, so from scratch as well. So you can proceed with that, or you can find the video on the right or the left side button here. So then proceed and design your gig thumbnail yourself. If you follow this method the right way, you are going to find a job on Fiverr. Very easy if you follow all this video, all this step I make in this video step by step. If you have any question regarding this video, kindly drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as possible.